Hello, everybody. It is me, Bean Man, the #1 bean in all the land. I hate myself. All right, so tonight at 1 in the morning, I am going to be playing this beautiful game called Chicken Feet. I have no idea what this game is about. I saw this on the Steam store. I saw Big Chicken chases you. Thought of a funny cock joke I could make. So here I am. I bought it and I'm ready to display it to the beautiful people watching this. So without further ado, let's just get right in the cockery. I thought that was funny. I'm not gonna lie. I thought that was pretty funny.
It's my pleasure to welcome you to the most sophisticated, beautiful, and intricate science facilities in the entire world. I'll be your guide today. You can call me Sergeant Corey.
Hello, Sergeant Corey.
I can't actually tell you what my real name is for confidential reasons, but I always thought Corey was a nice name.
Corey in the house.
Anyway, we've got a lot of work to do. I'm sure you've already been informed.
I have not.
A giant chicken?
Big cock.
Lots of death?
Oh god.
Yeah, it's a pretty bad problem. But I have faith in us. We're gonna make a great team. I'm tracking your location, so I'll always know where you are. I'm here to help. Now, enjoy the glamour while you still can. You'll be heading deep into this facility, and I promise you, this is the best that it'll look.
Damn! For a game about a cock that chases you, this is pretty nice. I mean, shit, man.
All right, our first destination is actually below us. So, find a way to get there. Maybe through a vent? Good luck.
Okay, can't open that. Use a vent to reach the next area. Alright, I can do that. Damn, this is actually like a pretty nice looking game. I mean, hold on. But pretty weird that it's a game about a giant cock that chases you. Okay, so let's just see what we can find. So, oh, I'm stupid. Alright, so, screwdriver, okay. So let's go look for a screwdriver. I'm gonna assume we have to go. I see something glowing. You know what? Let's just go to the vent, right? Right. That's probably the best thing to do. I'll close that. Easy peasy. Ah, damn. I still can't.
Hey, I just want to tell you, you gotta be very careful here. You really shouldn't underestimate this thing. If you do see the chicken, just run. Try to hide somewhere where he can't reach you.
Okay. Whatever you say. Oh, the music changed and the game saved. That's never a good sign.
Hello? Okay.
I'll get it. I don't fucking like it. Okay.
What, you saw it? Be very careful. Make sure you
Thought
don't
I
let
heard
it
a noise
catch
behind
you.
me.
Obviously.
Yo, I'm gonna be dreaming about chickens tonight. I'm gonna be scared shitless. Oh my god.
Listen. I know this might seem annoying, but there are 3 levers down here that you'll need to pull. They'll open the door that's going to let you proceed.
Oh.
Now, I understand how redundant that may seem, but it's all in the name of security.
Okay.
All right, good luck.
All right.
I'll talk to you soon. Be careful down there.
So we have, what are these like?
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I just moved Sebastian into the red cell while work continues downstairs. I know he isn't really a human,
Okay.
but the things they do to him, they're horrible. It's like growing up in prison,
Oh,
but worse. He's got no friends.
oh my god.
I honestly don't know why Eric is doing all of this to him.
Listen, I don't need
At
to hear
least he
them all.
has an education. So what if he's genetically modified?
Oh my god! No, that is the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life. Is that not a lever? I'm sorry. Oh shit, I'm gonna die. No, no, I'm sorry, please do Alright. What was that? 8 minutes? Oh, that scared the actual, like, living shit out of me. Oh my god. Fuck, yo. I had a little cup of, like, whiskey
We just moved Sebastian
just to
into the
wake
red
me
cell
up, because I
while
was
work
pretty
continues
tired.
downstairs.
But man, that shit woke me up. Oh, hey, I got it. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna try. What the fuck? Who's that guy? Alright. Oh, that's terrifying. Alright, maybe we can.
So what if he's genetically
I
modified?
hate this.
The humans
I don't like this game already. Alright. We got one more lever. I'm pretty confident. Shit, that's where we came from. Fuck off! Jesus Christ. I found a key. Pull 3 levers to unlock. Dude, that is literally awful. Alright. Oh. Wait, no. Oh wait, I can hide in here though. Oh wait, shit, you know what? I probably shouldn't get myself stuck in here. Where's that last lever? Oh, he's either left or right. Left. Okay. Oh, I can open that door. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Can he smell me? That's what I'm trying to... Okay. Alright. Huh? Oh my god! I hate that. Hi. That is genuinely awful. Oh my god. Fucking chicken knocked that shit down so hard. Alright. I'm running for it. I'm running for it. I'm running for it. Oh my god. Okay. What? No way. Who locked my ass in here? Alright. I need water. I'm sweating. Oh, I'm gonna edit this tomorrow morning. I'm gonna update you guys if I had nightmares of chickens. I'll probably forget. I probably won't. There's no leaning. Alright, I need him. Yo. That one guy escaped. Alright, I got a plan. I'm gonna run into that little red room right there. Oh my god, I have to hold it. Alright, we're okay. We're okay, we're making stable progress, I would say. Now if I crouch, will he see me? I mean, will he... Can he hear me? That's my burning question right now. Oh shit! I'm sorry. No way. Oh my god! He got too close. Hello? Paul. Okay, good. He's going that way. If he goes that way, that means I can go. I'll just fucking book it. Keep going, keep going. Fuck you, Chicken Little! Alright. We're good. We're good. We're good. We are good. Everything's all good. No way. Okay. Alright, that was the first stage, I think. First stage is complete. Oh.
All right, you made it. Nice job. We're getting closer. Just keep going.
Okay.
Okay.
Which way do I go? Can I close it behind me? I can, okay. Now, where do I hide? There's a downstairs? Is there anything up here? Alright. Let's see. Little monologue thing.
This is Mrs. Lawrence, Sebastian's new teacher.
Wait, is the chicken's name Sebastian? I
He's
can't
coming along
remember.
very nicely. He's improving in practically every way. Reading, writing, and speaking.
I don't think Sebastian is
I
the
do
chicken.
have one concern. He seems to have scars on his body. I don't mention this in an accusatory way. What happens when I'm not here isn't any of my business. I just thought I would bring it up in case they were self-inflicted. I'll be back next week.
Okay. Alright, so it's like a 3-4 second timer? Oh. Yeah, oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, no. No. Alright, party people. I can't see anything. You can't see anything. This is pitch black for the both of us. I know we both saw that one guy, though. I know that. Okay. Okay. It's okay. We're all good. We're all good. Wow. This is a big barn. This is a big barn. I am truthfully so scared right now. I'm sweating bullets. I like horror games, but playing them really does not do me any good.
According to my map, the exit to this area is locked and it can't be opened from your current location. Looks like you'll need to get up there where that blue light is. There should be an elevator system that can help you.
I can do that. Easy money. Press this button and I don't know if pressing that will do anything, but I'm gonna press it anyway. But yeah, I'll just... Oh. What is this, a parkour? Or can I, like, hide? I suck. My assumption is that this giant fucking chicken is gonna come out and I'm gonna have to dodge his ass and run around. Oh. It looks like I might be correct. But let's see. Mess with the graphics a little bit. I guess it was running my PC down. I don't know why. I guess cock game is too strong. Dude, I know. I have to go over there. I'm avoiding it. I'm scared. Okay? If you guys were in my position, you'd feel the same exact damn way. I'm scared. This game is scary. I know it's just a chicken, but you try getting chased by a chicken. Oh, find the pipe. No, the music started. Oh my fucking god. God! I'll sit here. How am I gonna do this? How am I gonna do this with this giant chicken running around? I'm literally gonna be here for a little bit. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna be here for a little bit. It's like any lick of sight that he gets on you, he just knows. Dude, his asshole saw me. How did he see me?
Hello? Chicken?
Come on, man. Why are you doing this?
Your rent's due, motherfucker!
There's gotta be somewhere for me to go.
What the fuck? How'd he see me?
I need to assess the situation. There's a giant cock. I'm stuck. I could probably run my way out. But even then, I don't know where to go. Alright, now's my chance. Now's my chance. I got it. Okay, I'll close that for right now. Hello, chicken. Can I push this? No. I guess this is just a... Oh my god. Hi. Oh shit, man. This is... I have to pee. I don't want to pee. I'm scared of fucking chickens can get me. As soon as I go in my other room, my bathroom, I know a giant chicken's gonna take me out. I don't need that. Not when I'm just at the start of my career. Oh. Alright, this is a solid hiding spot. It's all good. All good. We're safe. Everything's okay. What? This stupid fucking chicken. Dude, there's gotta be something. So I just need to find a pipe, which I'm assuming is in this barn right here. Oh my fucking. Oh. Okay. We're okay. No, we're not. Oh, I'm back in the same place. Oh, damn it. He's coming back. No, he smells my fear. That's right. That's right. You fucking run, bitch. You run. You don't know me. You don't know me. You don't know me and the beans. If I called my subscribers beaners, would that technically? I mean, I'm a Hispanic man. I mean, I don't call myself Bean Man for no reason. So technically, I give you guys the bean card. You got. I gotta fucking. All right. I gotta focus. I'm gonna focus, okay? I'm gonna focus. I'm gonna fuck this chicken. I'm gonna fuck it. I'm gonna fuck it. I'm gonna fuck the chicken. I'm gonna fuck the chicken. I'm gonna fuck it. Please. For the love that all is holy! No, I regret it! I saw something glowing! Okay. We did it! We made progress. We made progress. That's the most we've done in the last 5-10 minutes? I don't know. I'm so hyped right now. I feel good, but I also feel scared. It's okay. I just need him to... I need him to just go away. I need a name for him. I was thinking Cletus, but that just seems like a little too... I'm gonna call him Brian. I feel like that's a suit. Like, that's a fitting name for this chicken. He's big, bulky, and his name is Brian. I have an idea. Full set. Okay. Fucking Brian, get out of here. You suck, you fucking... Oh, you suck. You suck. You're nothing. You're just... Dude, you're just tomorrow's protein, buddy. You're just tomorrow's protein. You got nothing on me. Dude, I like that chicken ass, though. What? Shit. I don't roll that way. My bad. Alright. Let's go. Alright. Alrighty. Okay, that's good. Oh my fuck. Okay. Please, fucking please, raise. Please! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay. We're okay, we did it. I was honestly waiting for that to break on me. Oh my god!